Hey everybody, welcome to the YouTube walkthrough of getting the Omnichannel for Dynamics 365 application to actually show up within the Dynamics 365 Application Center. Now, I have set up, although it's not on this video, but this is a fresh, brand new trial. I've gone to trials.dynamics.com, selected I want it for development purposes. I put in some details. I've authenticated with a text message. It's gone through the setup and it's now here on my screen. And what I've also done is I've quickly done the data consent and I've carried out the Power BI license stuff, which is all in my blog. And I'm going to have details to and links to my blog entries below in the description for this video, so you can go take a look through. You can see screenshots. So as you can see on my screen, I have the customer service hub available, which is great because you need customer service hub. However, if I open a new tab and I go to admin.powerplatform.com and I take a look at the environments, and you can see this is what is there. So if I take a look at my environment and I go to Manage Solutions, so I'm now in the Dynamics 365 Administration Center, and if I click on Applications over here, scroll down, I need to click Next to go to the next page, you will see that it says, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Gamification, Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM Hub, Portal add-on. Hold on a moment. It's supposed to have Omnichannel there. Now, even if you've gone through the trial and you have, if we switch back for a moment, again, you can see the customer service hub over here. It's not there. So this is how you're going to get it to appear, again, with the other prerequisites already gone. So what you need to do is you need to open up and go back to trials.dynamics.com. And over here, you need to click customer service. There we go. Yeah, customer service. Got the green thing right. You scroll down. You're not going to click here where sign up here. In this work email, you're going to put in your email address that you used to sign up for the trial to begin with, which is username at domain. Make sure you got a note of all of this. .onmicrosoft.com, and you're going to put your phone number in here, which I am entering, but unlike Mr. Chris Huntingford, I am actually going to obfuscate because I do not want it out there because it's my personal phone number. You click Get Started. And it's going to turn around and say, you already have an account. Or if you've been signed in and it's accepting, it'll say, you've got it already. So I'm just going to click Sign In. It's going to ask me for my credentials. Oh, here we go. See, it automatically sign in. It says no need to sign up already. I have a license for Dynamics 365. So I'm going to click OK. Got it. And it's now going to hopefully bring up, yeah, here we go. It's a great screen, this. Mostly blank, minimal, with a lovely GIF that says setting up. And we're going to wait a minute. And hopefully this is now going to take us, as it's set up. So while we think peaceful, calm, meditating thoughts, it's going to go through the setup process. Now, as I put in my blog, here we go. But this setup process is, what was that, 15, 20 seconds? Actually getting your initial setup done for Omnichannel is a much longer time. So it's now going, it's now going to load the environment, give it a moment to load it. Incidentally, I'm using Edge on Chromium, which is really, really good. I highly recommend it. It's going much better than my general Chrome. I'm slowly shifting everything over to it. So it's now just going to wait for it to load. I might be naughty and just do a forced refresh of the screen. Give it another few seconds. Yeah, why not? Okay, let's force refresh this. makes me feel that, I'm actually causing something to happen in the background. Oh, well, I don't know if that was me or that was it, but yeah, there we go. So now we're here, we're back on the screen. If I take a quick look at, no Omnichannel applications here. But if I go back to my administration center, and I do need to refresh this, sometimes you might need to actually sign out and sign back in again. And I look at applications, click next, and there we go. Omnichannel for customer service, not configured. So the next step that you'll do is you'll click manage, and that's not going to work on this because of something else that I haven't done, obviously. But anyhow, yeah, it's a great demo. Obviously something didn't work, but that's where you would go. And then what you would then do is you would click manage, you would go to the next stage, and you would continue through it. As I said, all the details for how to do this are on my blog. Links will be below. Hopefully this shows you the exact steps you need to do, which is shown on my blog as well. In screenshot format, this is the video of what you need to be able to do in order to get there. Any questions, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day.